Are you still on the fence about building an email list but still have doubts about why it's needed? Well, pay close attention because in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 reasons why building an email list is so important in today's economy. Hi, Dr. Lisa Thompson here. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button to let you know when I create a new video. Most people believe in this day and age of social media that you don't need to build an email list because nobody checks their emails anymore. Well, nothing can be further from the truth. The fact of the matter is, most people check their emails at least once throughout the day, and it's the first thing they check when they wake up in the morning. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 key reasons why it's so important to build an email list to create consistent cash flow in your business in today's economy. The first reason why you must build an email list is that email is personal. It goes directly into your user's inbox. There's no social media ranking or algorithm limiting its reach. It's direct and personal. The second reason why you must build an email list is that email is purposeful. It's permission-based marketing. And what I mean by that is that in order for you to send an email to someone, they must fill out a form giving you their email address. That means they are giving you permission to follow up with them. Now think about this for a moment. People's time is very valuable. And so that if they're taking the time out of their busy schedule to fill in a form to give you their email address, that means they are interested in hearing more about what you have to offer them. The third reason why you must build an email list is that email is targeted. As I mentioned earlier, people who are on your list already raised their hand and expressed an interest in what you have to offer. Now, if you've taken the time to research your audience and know what their biggest problems are, you can then follow up with them with email to give them highly relevant content and offers that they are going to say yes to. This is much better than the list of 100 your MLM upline tells you to do because you're going to have fewer no's. The fourth and most important reason why you must build an email list is that you own the email list. Here is the hard truth about your social media followers. They are not your leads. They do not belong to you. They belong to the social media network. And the social media networks can change the rules at any time, and they can shut down your account for any reason. If they can shut down the account of the President of the United States, they can shut down your account as well. Your email list is the #1 asset that nobody can take away from you that can pay you and your family for life. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned so far in today's video. We learned 4 key reasons why we must build an email list. The first reason is that email is personal. It goes directly into the user's email box, and it's not affected by social media rankings or algorithms. The second reason why email is so important is that email is purposeful. In order for people to receive emails from you, they have to give you permission by filling out a form and giving you their email address. The third reason why email is so important is that it is targeted. That means people who are on your email list have raised their hand and they are interested in what you have to offer, leading to more yeses and consistent cash flow. And finally, your email list is your number one asset that nobody can take from you. It is your list that you own and can pay you and your family for life. If you're thinking that building an email list is too techy, nothing can be further from the truth. As a matter of fact, it is so easy to build an email list, and you don't even need a website to get started. To learn how to do this, head over to my website at drlisamthompson.com and pick up my free report, The 5 Simple Steps to Building an Email List Without a Website. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.